Hello, my name is Jena and I'm a student of Bioinformatics and a research assistant at the Lichtwerkstatt, your open photonics makerspace at the epicenter of photonics. Among many others, the Lichtwerkstatt works on a project XRTL, where we automate experimental setups based on IoT and XR technology. Over the last months, we have built a demonstrator for live video integration into the AR glasses Meta 2 and have fully augmented the fiber coupling setup using the Microsoft HoloLens. It allows for annotating components and operate them via virtual control elements based on attached interconnected microcontrollers and actuators. In the next step, we will work on 2 points. First, AR glasses are pretty expensive and not available for everyone. Instead, we would like to develop low-cost smart glass implementation based on 3D printed parts and off-the-shelf electronic components, such as an ESP32 controller, touch input, battery and an OLED display. We have already built a prototype, which we have integrated into the network to project real-time sensory data into the eye of the experimentalist. Another major point is that all available AR and smart glasses are not approved for use in Laserlabs. Therefore, we would like to further develop our prototype into a clip-on system for existing laser safety glasses, or alternatively a standalone industrial prototype of safety glasses with integrated head-mounting display. However, there's plenty of potential for further development, such as gesture or speech recognition, situational awareness or eye tracking, which we would like to explore on the basis of DIY technology with the maker community. So please, we would love to see you supporting our project to make our lab work more accessible and comfortable.